Welcome once more to our 5 minute video. Today we'll be talking about the using of if function, if and ifs function. Now, the application of if or ifs function, use it to ask logical statement like, please, if something is like this, I need you to give me certain output. Otherwise, indicate that this particular thing is not it. So you could give certain output using the if function. Say for instance, in my team here, I want to say, okay, there's a team here, right? I could decide to come and say, so they were not specific if it is gender, so I want to put insert a new column, and I'll see this place is gender. And how do I want to put gender? I can say, okay, put female, male, or F for female. When you get to male, you put this. Now, in order to avoid repetition of these things, you can use if function to ask a question that, okay, if women give me, if this cell here is equal to women, give me female. If not, give me male. Now you could do it in two different situations. So you could just go to the function. Oh no, that's not what I want to write. That function I want to write it. So we want to put gender. I want to say F for male, F for female, and M for male. So I'll just go here, type our if, what I'm looking for. I'll go to the if. Okay, now they say she lacks logical, a logical test. So is you asking the question. So if this is equal to, then you now ask, so you just put it, if it is woman or women rather, give me, so give me, put F for me. Else, so if it is not woman, of course we only have two gender, you can say, okay, else M, and you put it in. Mind you, if you are in the value, if true, you put it in. If it is a string you want to put, like alphabet, if it's alphabet you want to put, you put it in commas. But if it is just number, you understand, let's say I want just put number 21 for instance, you can put it, you can leave it like that. Now press OK, and you can see it's showing F, right? So if you just drag, you can just easily drag, right? By the time you drag, either you do like that, drag, or Control Z, you just double click, and you see it's giving you this. So you can now decide to, so you can see here is left indented, right indented. You can just come here, this is where you change. Just either you put it in middle, all right indent, or left indented. So let's just put it in the middle, just because we feel like it. So you can do that. So you let's just, for the sake of this one, is just to show example. So we'll just go back, to mail, right, and enter. Then you just double click again, and you see everything has changed. Now the only reason why this works is that you either have men or women. You either have men or women. In the event you have more than two two in the event we have more than two or more different choices here, like for instance this position, so we are going to talk about applying if function to solve this particular process. I think we'll end the video for now. Thank you very much. See you next video.